Welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add a SEO optimized and beautiful looking blog to your existing website. Today we're looking at Format and their online portfolio builder and how we can add a blog to our portfolio website. Let me get right into my Format account, and then you have to head over to Portfolio and Pages. Once you're on the Pages page, let's click on Create, and we want to create a custom page. Click on it. Let's give it a name, for example, blog, and click on Add Custom Page. Now, in the next step, we have to click on Start from Scratch and Add Section. Now, as a section, we want to click on Media and then scroll down until we find an HTML embed. Let's keep on scrolling. Here we see custom embed, and we have the custom embed code. We click on add section, and this is where we want to put our BlogHandy code snippet. So let's go to BlogHandy and copy the first step code, go back to Format and paste it, and then go back to BlogHandy, copy the second step code, go back to Format, paste it, and that's it. Now let's click on Save Changes, add page to site menu. Yes, that would be a great idea. All right, perfect. We've saved the page. Let's click on Back to Pages, and here's our blog, and let's just move that up here into our menu, maybe as the first point in our menu, and let's preview our page, view site. All right, here the first link is blog. Let's click on it, and there you have it. Our blog is loading. Let's click on a blog post. It loads, and there's one more thing to do. Just copy paste the link to your blog page in BlogHandy. So let's copy it and go to BlogHandy, click on Settings, and under blog URL, let's just paste it here and click on Save All Changes. In the settings, you can also change the wording of your blog, and under Layout and Design, you can choose from different pre-designed templates, or you can use the custom CSS section to code your own customized blog. If you need any help with that, you can always feel free to reach out to me. Thanks a lot for listening. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, and happy blogging. Bye bye.